With the reveal of Android 12 at Google I/O, it's made me as a Pixel fan more excited than ever for where the platform is headed. Now, admittedly, I did have to let go of my Pixel 5 just due to a combination of overheating issues, Bluetooth disconnects, and the screen was just unfortunately a bit too small for my liking. The 4A 5G is a good compromise, but just as I stated, it has a lot of compromises in areas that I personally like my device to shine, such as the lack of wireless charging, which I use on a daily basis. Well, I think I was able to find a solution and made a pickup that I think is going to satisfy my needs personally. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the unboxing. So before we dive in, I want to explain exactly what the Amazon Renew program is and why it's a benefit for consumers. So with the Amazon Renew program, you get 3 great reassurances. The first one actually being that any device that is sold under that program has the charging brick and the charging cable in the box. Now, in a world where Samsung and Apple are taking charging bricks out of the boxes of their new phones, it's great to know that you're gonna get everything you need right out of the box. You don't have to spend any additional money. Next is going to be the fact that the battery health of any device sold has to be 80% or higher. So no matter what device you get from them, no matter how old, you can rest assured knowing that the battery health will at least be 80%. And then lastly is gonna be the return window. So with the return window from your normal major carrier or store, it's gonna be about 14 days or 2 weeks. Well, with the Amazon Renew program, you're looking at 3 months or 90 days. So it's significantly longer to allow you to have that time with the device to make sure that it fits your lifestyle and it's a great fit for you. So now that we've gotten that out the way, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the knife here and we're gonna go ahead and see what is in the box. So while we get this open, the main reason I decided to go with the 4XL versus going with say like a 4A 5G or going with another 5 is kind of as I explained in the beginning. The 5 did have some issues for me, and the 4A 5G, the main thing that I like that it's really missing is wireless charging. I use wireless charging almost exclusively at home, so I don't really use cables or anything. The only place I actually wire charge my phone is in my car. So a phone has to have wireless charging for me. So inside of the box first, actually get some bubble wrap for secure packaging, throw that to the side, and then it comes in this white box. We'll throw this Amazon packaging to the side as well. So it comes in a white kind of generic box. It says Pixel 4 XL, 64 gigabyte. We'll talk more a little bit about that later in the video. Clearly white or panda or stormtrooper. It's the color I went with. And it says fully unlocked. We'll actually be the judge of that. So I didn't expect it to come in the original Pixel 4 XL box just because this device is a little bit older. So now we'll go ahead and get this. Got to bring the knife back in. Cut these little 2 tape here. But I do like the box though. Box is pretty clean. Okay, having some troubles. All right, perfect. So first thing, as soon as you open it, is going to be the device itself. It is a little dirty, I guess, from the inside of this box here. But let me see. Kind of brush it off a little bit for you guys first. So yeah, as you can see, I mean, taking a look around the device, there's no scratches or dents or anything on it. Like even looking back here on the camera, nothing. In all honesty, if someone handed me this device and said it was brand new, I would believe them because it honestly said you probably can't really see it there on camera too well, but there's honestly no issues whatsoever. Screen has no scratches or nothing like that either. So, okay, we'll go ahead and boot that on. Okay, perfect. So we got our Google logo here, if you can see that. We'll let that boot up, see what else we get. Get a hi there. I'm your new Amazon Renew device. Nice to meet you. So you get a little pamphlet there. Stick that there. And then you have the certified refurbished on Amazon, kind of the reassurance that I was talking about. So that's great. You get that there in the box. And it does tell you how to remove a Google account and an iCloud account. So that's a nice little handy kind of pamphlet to have. And here's your charging cable. And you have like a generic kind of charging brick. Now, I didn't think that it would come with like a 18-watt adapter or anything like that, just because, I mean, hey, I'm looking at it from the perspective of, I'm just happy to have a charger at all. So we'll see how fast that charges the device, and I'll keep you guys posted and let you know. Doesn't seem to be, oh, a SIM removal tools here as well, so you do get that. Doesn't seem to be anything else, so go ahead and push this off to the side. Bring the phone back in, so hi there. Go ahead and hit start. Okay, perfect. So it looks like it is running a little bit low on battery. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead, pause the video here. I'm gonna get this set up, and then I'm gonna come back and kind of just do a quick run through and give you guys kind of my first impressions with this Amazon renewed Pixel 4 XL. So sit tight, guys. All right, guys, so I did go ahead and finally get the Pixel 4 XL all set up and ready to go. Got face unlock and all that set up. It's now downloading my application, so we'll have it usable here in just a bit. Like I said before, like this seemed to be kind of like the perfect balance for what I was using for. The 5 was just a bit too small, and the 4A 5G actually was missing just enough to make me not want to go with that one in particular. So this one, you're getting that bigger screen. The one thing that I'm kind of concerned with or curious about is how the battery is going to be on this particular one. I know the 5 has phenomenal battery. It's probably my favorite part of that one in particular. So obviously, like I said, we'll be able to test out the battery, see how everything is on that end. And then the loss of the wide angle camera. I use the wide angle camera quite a bit on my phone, so we'll see how I missed that one, but this one does have the telephoto, so maybe it'll make up for it. We'll definitely see, but I don't want to hold you guys any longer. That's gonna do it for today's video, but before you go, let me know in the comment section below. Do you use a Google Pixel on the regular basis? And if you do, which Pixel do you use? Thanks so much again for watching, guys. This has been Ike's Tech Talk. Have a great day. Peace.